Hello students, welcome to Physical Science Digital Classes Mehbubabad. Myself Narendra Babu Kotla, PGT Chemistry, TSMS Mehbubabad. Today in this session we are going to discuss about acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water. Do acids show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Acidic behavior of acids is due to the presence of hydrogen ions in them. The acids produce hydrogen ions only in the presence of water. So, in absence of water, a substance will not form hydrogen ions and hence will not show its acidic behavior. The acids produce hydrogen ions only in the presence of water. So, in absence of water, a substance will not form hydrogen ions and hence will not show its acidic behavior. I will now describe an experiment to show that acids do not show acidic behavior without water. First, take about 1 gram of solid sodium chloride in a clean and dry boiling tube. What we have to do here? Take about 1 gram of this sodium chloride in a clean and dry boiling tube and add some concentrated sulfuric acid to it very carefully. Fit a rubber cork with a small glass delivery tube in the mouth of the boiling tube as shown in the picture. Concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with sodium chloride to form hydrogen chloride gas. Concentrated sulfuric acid that reacts with the sodium chloride to form the hydrogen chloride gas means HCl gas it produces. The HCl gas starts coming out of the open end of the glass tube. Hold a dry blue litmus paper in HCl gas. So when HCl gas coming out through the delivery tube, hold a dry blue litmus to this or expose this blue litmus to the HCl gas. Then there is no change in the color of dry blue litmus paper. There will be no change by changing of the color of the dry blue litmus paper when you expose it to the HCl gas. This shows that HCl gas does not behave as an acid in the absence of water. That means there is no water in dry litmus paper. When you expose this litmus paper to the dry HCl gas, there will be no change in color of the litmus paper. Now, hold a moist blue litmus paper in HCl gas. Now, hold a moist blue litmus paper in HCl gas. Then we will see that the moist blue litmus paper turns to red. Then we can see that moist blue litmus paper turns to the red. This shows that HCl gas shows acidic behavior in presence of water. The reason behind it: dry HCl gas does not change the color of dry blue litmus paper because it has no H plus ions in it. However, the HCl gas turns wet blue litmus paper turns to red because it dissolves in the water present in wet litmus paper to form H plus ions. That means HCl, when you add it to the water, or HCl when it dissolves in water, it can able to release the H plus and Cl minus ions. They can release only the H plus and Cl minus ion. But in absence of water, They will not undergo ionization. Who? HCl gas will not undergo ionization. And there is no possibility of releasing the H plus ions. That's why. So the blue litmus paper that does not change its color to red. Note, the reaction of dissolving HCl gas in water can also be written in another way. That is, hydrogen ions are written in the form of hydronium ions, or like this.